Hey, what's up guys? This is Daniel back from Bar Shield with episode 106. Today we're just going to go over how to unload the plates, like using just like a makeshift deadlift jack if you've ever used one before. Whether your gym does or does not have one. If you're a CrossFit gym, chances are you probably do not have a deadlift jack laying around. So easy way to do this, if you have a bunch of plates on the bar, these big bulky bumper plates, is to grab like a 5 or a 2.5 pound plate, and it does work even a 10. That's pretty easy with the 5 or a 2.5 because it's pretty small. So all you're going to do here is you're going to put it under that first plate on the bar, and then you're just going to roll the plate on top here, and then you will start to unload the bar like so. Easy way to take the plates off without having to struggle. So if you have any other questions, hit us up and we'll see you next week.